Hi guys, happy to meet you all again through this video. Few important interview question and answers about HVAC system is given here for your easy reference. Make use of it. Come, let's start with the question and answer. What is heating and why heating is required in AC system? Heating is a component of your HVAC system which provides a warm climate for your office, home in the cooler months, especially in the winter season. Some countries are having the negative temperature as well. So for those countries, heating is one of the important component of HVAC system. What is ventilation and why ventilation is required in AC system? Ventilation is used for the exchange of air to the outside as well as the circulation of the air within the building. Air conditioning typically means solution for altering of air humidity and temperature to create more comfortable indoor conditions. An air conditioning is a system that is used to cool down a space by removing heat from the space. What is a comfortable temperature and relative humidity for AC system? Humans generally feel comfortable between temperature of 22 degrees centigrade to 27 degrees centigrade. It varies depends upon the location of the people and relative humidity of 45% to 60%. What is thumb rule calculation of CFM per square feet in HVAC system? For bigger commercial area above 40,000 square feet, 2 CFM per square feet will be considered. Medium sized of 10,000 to 30,000, 2.5 CFM to 3 CFM will be considered. And for smaller area, less than 500 square feet, approximately 3.5 CFM will be considered. What are the standards used for designing HVAC system? ASHRAE, the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers. NBC, National Building Code of India. SMACNA, Sheet Metal Air Conditioning Contractors National Association. These are the standards used for HVAC designing. What is tonnage in HVAC? All the units they will mention in the TR. So let us see what is the tonnage in HVAC. 1 tonnage means the AC unit can remove 12,000 BTUs of heat from a space in 1 hour. The measurement of heat is the British thermal unit. What is fresh air in air conditioning and its importance? A filtered fresh air intake system adds fresh air to a home for heating and cooling system. This improves indoor air quality by diluting polluted or stale indoor air. Without fresh air, CO2 level will increase in indoor due to the reuse of the same conditioned air. So minimum 10% of the fresh air CFM to be maintained for good indoor air quality. What is CFM in HVAC? Airflow is measured in CFM, cubic feet per minute. It is a measurement that shows how much air flows into a space per minute. In general, 350 to 400 CFM per ton of cooling is required for proper air conditioning system. Depends upon the type of AC unit, it will vary slightly up to 10%. What is CAV and VAV? CAV is a constant air volume and VAV is a variable air volume. What is refrigerant? What is the form of refrigerant? Refrigerant is a substance used in a heat cycle to transfer heat from one area and remove it in the other area. It exists in gas form when exposed to environment. The most common refrigerants include chlorofluorocarbons, hydrofluorocarbons, and natural refrigerants. Why two different refrigerant pipe size is used in AC unit? Whenever the liquid form is converted into gaseous form, the volume required for the gaseous will be more. That is the reason always the bigger pipe is used for the cool gas and which is insulated. This is commonly referred to as a suction line, return line or vapor line. The smaller size pipe typically carries a warm liquid. It is called the liquid line. Why copper pipe used in refrigeration instead of aluminum? The thermal conductivity of copper tube is high and it is approximately 8 times more than the aluminum tubes. Excellent heat transfer characteristics are in copper. Difference between VRV and VRF. VRV is variable refrigeration flow. It is a patent right name by Daikin. VRF is a variable refrigeration flow. Functionally, both are same. Other companies use VRF and Daikin use VRV for their units. Difference between AHU and CSU. AHU, air handling unit, that is used to ventilate an entire building, whereas FCU, fan coil units, are used in smaller or local space only. Compressor. A compressor is a mechanical device that increases the pressure of the gas by reducing its volume. An air compressor is a specific type of gas compressor. Compressors are like pumps. Both increase the pressure of the fluid. Both can transport the fluid through a pipe. What type of compressor is used in chiller? Vapor compression chiller typically uses one of the four types of compressors: reciprocating compression, scroll compression, screw-driven compression, a centrifugal compression, and for all mechanical machines that can be powered by electric motors, steam or gas turbines. What are the different types of chillers? Water-cooled and air-cooled chillers are what are the different types of chillers? Water-cooled and air-cooled chillers are widely used, and its subcategories are reciprocating, centrifugal, screw-driven, and absorption chillers. What is cooling tower? A cooling tower is a specialized heat exchanger in which air and water are brought into direct contact with each other in order to reduce the water temperature. What is centralized air conditioning system? Centralized air conditioning is a system in which the air is cooled at a central location and distributed to and from rooms by one or more fans and ductwork. What are the different methods of air balancing? There are two traditional methods of balancing airflow at the terminals. The first is sequential balancing, which involves setting the zone and branch dampers in sequence. The second most common method of air balancing is proportional balancing. Why smoke test is used in ducting system? To ensure there is no leakage in the duct joints. In proportional balancing method, the flow hood will directly measure volumetric airflow at the outlets or terminals of the system. The registers, grills, and the diffusers to ensure the designed CFM is achieved. What are the different methods of welding tests? The three common methods are visual weld inspection, liquid dye penetration test, radiographic testing, or X-ray test. What type of welding is used for pipelines? Arc welding is the most common type of welding used in general. What are the different types of welding joints in pipelines? Butt joint, corner joint, lap joint, T-joint, and edge joints. Why valves and controls are used in HVAC system? Major components of an HVAC system such as chiller, cooling water pumps, air handling units, and fan coil units uses valve to control the flow of water, gas, and air. What is PICV valve? Pressure independent control valve. Can help reduce energy cost and increase occupant comfort in heating and cooling coil applications in any buildings. A PICV is best described as two valves in one: a standard two-way control valve and a balancing valve. What are the gauges used in the HVAC pipelines? Pressure gauge and temperature gauge will be used in HVAC pipelines. What sensor is used to measure duct temperature? The duct sensor is used to measure the supply and return air temperature in HVAC system. What is PAC unit? Where it is used? PAC is a precision air conditioning unit. PAC system is designed for cooling data centers and server room environments. It is a closed control air conditioning system. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you again soon in an interesting topic. Please like, subscribe, and share to your friends.